Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asanwa baby. Asanwa baby. Hello, welcome on board. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to create this mohawk, afro mohawk. So if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, stay tuned to watch the video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media. So these are the products that you need for this hairstyle. Let's jump into the video. I'm starting on a clean hair. I'm going to spray my hair with Redken 25 Benefit 1 United leave-in conditioner all over my hair. Then I'm going to apply As I Am leave-in conditioner as well on my hair. So I'm going to section my hair going downwards. So I'm going to turn my back so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I will do the same to the other side of my hair. Then I'm going to section my hair going diagonal. Then I'll clip it out of the way. I'm going to apply Shea Moisture Lay Down Lacquer Edge Control on my hair. Then I'm going to moisturize my hair with As I Am Double Butter Cream. Then I'll comb through. I will brush my hair to make sure all the knots and tangles are removed as well. Then I'm going to part my hair going diagonal. Then I will apply the edge control to make everywhere look smooth. Then I will brush through. So this is what I can come up with. So I'm going to braid my hair. I will braid through the whole of the hair, but at the end, I'm not going to braid it. I'm going to leave it there so that when I'm going to coil the hair, it's going to blend with the hair. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I know my mirror is not positioning on a good spot, but please bear with me. I'm going to part my hair and braid through again. Always apply edge control. It's going to make the hair look smooth. Don't worry guys if the parting is not smooth. So it's up to you if you want to make it more smaller, but I prefer mine to be on a medium size. And doing this kind of hairstyle is a little bit challenge for me because it's my first time braiding my hair going upwards. So I kind of find it challenging for me. But I'm so happy that the hair turns out looking good. Always apply edge control to make everywhere look smooth, and it will make your parting so easy. Then I will braid through. So you can make your hair more smaller, but I prefer to do mine on a medium size. So I'm going to apply the same double butter cream by As I Am. Then I'm going to brush through. Then I apply the edge control. Then I will braid. So when I'm parting this one, I'm going to part it going downwards. So I hope you guys can see a clear picture of what I'm doing. So it's going by the side. Then I'll braid, and always moisturize your hair because we are trying to do a protective hairstyle. It's alright if the pattern is not clean, don't worry about it. I'm going to braid my hair all over, then I'm going to do the same on the other side of my hair. I will apply ASAYAM Double Buttercream Moisturizer all over my hair. Then I'm going to section my hair. So don't worry if your pattern is not clean. I will section my hair again. Then I will apply ASAYAM Coil Defining Jelly individually on my hair. Then I will twist. I will do the same all over my hair. So I will use a palm rod to set the hair. So I'm going to put two together, then I will roll set it. So this is going to make the coils more defined. To do this all over my hair, I'm going to set the back going downwards and the front will be going forward and the middle will be hanging on top of my hair. So this is going to give me that coil solution and give me that mohawk afro that I'm reaching for. Please beauties, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to turn your notification on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on all social media because that means a lot to me. All right guys, thank you so much. I'll put all the products that I use for this hairstyle in the info section, so please do check it out, and the links as well. I coil the front going towards my face and the back going backwards. I'll give you guys 360 to see the hair, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. My hair is all dry. I'm going to take the palm rods out. I will apply my oil mist all over my hair to give it sleep. Then I will unravel and separate the coils, but not too much separation to avoid losing the coils. I will use comb pick to pick the coils all over my hair, starting from the roots. Then I will use some bobby pins to hold the hair, and I will do the same the other side of my hair. So you have to play with the hair until you get your desired style. Some of my hair out in the front. Then I will use some bobby pin to hold the hair down. Then I will use a comb pick to hide the pin. I will add some few accessories to complement the hair. So guys, this is the final look. Wow, oh my gosh, how does that look? Did you like the hair? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my god, look at the hairstyle. So snatch. Wow. So my beauties, if you like this my mock-up, give this video a thumbs up and comment on the info section. Share my video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn your notification on to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on all social media. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you on my next video. It's your babe, Asanwa. Bye. So guys, if you have not seen my previous video on my twist out 4C natural hair, I'll put the link on the info section, and I'll put the link as well. Yeah, and there is a subscription button, so you can subscribe to my channel. It's there. Just all right guys. Yeah, all right guys.